Here, that's it. Pretty light. We could do unboxing videos. Unboxing. For anyone who may be expecting an extreme and can't get it, and want to settle for the next best thing, the Legacy. We have tools in the whammy bar. Nice packaging. That's important when you're shipping a guitar. Sweetwater says they have a 51-point inspection system. We have a headstock. Ebony fretboard. Speed neck. Very good packaging. Pointy guitars are always harder to get out. But anyone who having a hard time getting an extreme, want to get the next best thing, we have body through. Sweetwater card inspection. We have the Floyd Rose 1000 series. Seymour Duncan Invaders. Looks very clean, very nice. Good workmanship. That's her. Now, it's not the extreme, but it's the next best thing. Here's where we go, like this. How does that look right there next to Blackie himself? Pretty good.